Hi everyone, I'm Kari with the Western Ranch Library, part of SSJCPL. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, which are guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are great animals, they make great pets, but before you consider getting one, you might want to read about them, educate yourself, listen to this video a bit, and decide for yourself if it's really something that you want to take on, because they do require a lot of work. They're very intelligent, they're very loving, and so the reward is worth it, but you have to be willing to put in the work for sure. So let me tell you all about them. We're going to meet my two guinea pigs, Mo and Po. They're both girls, and they are housemates. They are bonded somewhat. I don't know how old they are. They were actually left behind when someone moved out. So we took them in, and they've been with us for about 9 months now. And they are just the funniest, hungriest pets that you could ever imagine having. So let's go and meet them. Guinea pigs often eat a lot. They start out their day with hay and Timothy hay, and then they continue on with some fresh greens. Then they have a little bit of special guinea pig food made up with pellets and grains from the pet store, and then they have some more grains later, and then they have a little treat. So as you can see, this is Mo, and she is eating the lettuce. They eat so fast. They almost look like rabbits. So Mo discovered the apples. Apples are a treat for guineas. I don't give it to them a lot because they do have weight problems. These ones, they're okay, but they do enjoy eating and they don't enjoy moving around too much. So guinea pigs usually live 5 or 6 years if they're taken care of. And Po is getting some grass. Guinea pigs don't take baths usually, unless there's something sticky or something strange that they can't get off themselves. They actually clean themselves very well, and they have great, beautiful coats. And the only thing that I clean is when I clean out their cage, I do wipe the bottom of their feet with just a washcloth and warm water. Guinea pigs do need a friend in order to be happy. They do bond, and so they will get definitely lonely unless you're able to spend a lot of time with them and, you know, hold them and carry them around and such. So definitely 2 or better. Always make sure you get 2 girls or 2 boys. Hi, Mo. Hi, Po. Are you hungry? Would you like some lettuce? Oh, you would? You know how cute they are. Look at that cute little face. They do have very strong teeth. Their teeth will bite through cords, as we found out when they bit through all the TV cords. So they do have to be supervised closely. If you want to bond with your guinea pig, make sure you, besides holding them a lot and petting them, make sure you hand feed them. Don't just give them their food. They're very food driven, so they definitely will be your best friend if they think food is involved. See how fast they eat? They don't even like breathe. Guinea pigs are very skittish though. They don't like loud noises. They don't like new places. It takes a little while for them to adapt when they are moved. But Po's kind of getting used to it. Your guinea pig should come outside for at least an hour every day and stay in. You can put them in, they make guinea pig playpens at the store, and you can get those. What you think? What you think, Po? They can eat grass. Just make sure that they're in a safe place where no owls or anything can come down and maybe grab them. I live in the country, so I have to worry about stuff like that. And another thing is to not leave them in the direct sun because they will get sunburned. They don't have a lot of... It's okay, baby. It's okay. So you have to make sure, besides feeding them every day, keeping their cage clean, you have to take their cage once a week and take all the bedding and such out. I usually use wood chips from the feed store, soft wood, cedar chips, I believe they are. And you have to change that out, and you have to disinfect the bottom with a special chemical from the pet store. That will help take away the smell and keep it clean for them, because guinea pigs can get sick easily if they're left in their own mess. So definitely want to help them because they can't clean that up. Mo is definitely the one that's the most outgoing. So right now she's kind of just hesitant, sitting in my lap, taking everything in, and just relaxing. Good girl. As you can see, they have cute little ears, clear eyes, clear little nose, and nice glossy coat. A little bit of brown on her. They are really sweet. Things I didn't know before I had a guinea pig are that guinea pigs, when they're happy, they tend to jump and they'll all of a sudden be standing there and they just hop. And that's called popcorning. Another thing I didn't know is that once they hear me wake up in the morning, they immediately start screaming and making excited chattering because they want breakfast. They know breakfast is coming and they want me to hurry. So they do. It's quite interesting to hear that, and they do not stop until they're fed. So they know their schedule of when it's time to eat. Guinea pigs don't want you to touch them. They will nudge their head up and try to knock your hand off of them. So that is kind of funny. And didn't know that. And I also didn't know that they don't sleep very much, actually. They will, when they're content and full and their cage is clean, they will stretch out and lay out and maybe sleep for about 5 minutes at a time. They do like to play, and Po definitely likes to pick on Mo, so I do have to watch that sometimes. They do annoy each other, and they're kind of like sisters. Isn't she cute?